Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Dear brothers and sisters, welcome in How to Perform Umrah and Hajj, a series of video lectures by Invoice from Mufakirin. Episode 12, Basic Arabic. Please subscribe to this channel and hit the bell button so you get a notification every time I post a new video. If you have already subscribed, thank you very much. Hit the thumbs up button if you like this video, or hit the thumbs down button if you don't like this video. What do you think about this video? Let me know in the comments. Now let's move to the main episode. In this episode we will discuss basic Arabic words which will help you to move around and converse if required. So I'll put in the screen English and Arabic so you can understand that. Word yes, you can say naam in Arabic, no, la, thank you, shukran, taxi, siara, ujra, bus, hafla or bus, train called qatar in Arabic, tent, khima, address, unwan. If you want to ask somebody address, you can say unwan, then they will listen to what you want, and then you can show them your card and maybe they will guide you or leave you there. Hotel, fundak, restaurant, mut'am, road, at-tariq, street, shara, airport, muttar, passport, jawaz al-safar, visa, tashira, dakhul, card, bitaga, bed, sarir, chair, kursi, blanket, batania, pillow, wasada, air conditioner, mukif, ironing, makwa, fridge, talaja, washing machine, gassala, oven, fran, telephone, mobile, jawal, television, talfaz, prayer mat, sajada, as-salah, or you can simple say sajada, bread, khubuz. If you want white bread, you say khubuz abiyad, butter, zabda, egg, beda, curry, qari or saloon, but saloon with sad is a hairdresser, water, ma, yogurt, zabadi, Laban in Arabic also, a buttermilk is Laban, milk, halib, juice, asir, tea, shaya. There is a black tea and tea with milk. So if you want a tea with milk, you can say shaya mua halib, and then if you want a sugar, you can say shaya mua halib or sukkar. Sugar is called sukkar, coffee is kahwa, salt is called malha, chili is called falfal al-har, fruit is fakaha, rice, rose, chicken, dajjaj, mutton or meat, laham, sandwich, full. You can say when you are buying food or something, they will ask you how much you need. So if you want a full, you can say haba or kamil. If you want a half, you can say no. Especially when you are buying a chicken and rice, they will ask you need a full or you need a half chicken. So you can say haba means full, you can say nus means half. If you want for a one person, you can say nafar, and they will give you the quantity which one person can eat. If you are dine-in or you want to eat inside in the restaurant, you can say mahali. When you will order, they will ask you whether you want a dine-in or takeaway. So in Arabic they will ask you mahali wa safri. You have to tell them. If you want to eat inside, you say mahali. If you want to take out, you say safri. And ask for invoice. If you want to do shopping or anything, if you need an invoice, you say fatura. They will give you the invoice. These are some of the basic Arabic words I thought will be helpful when you are around the holy places, when there are people who may not understand English or your local language. These words will be helpful for you. Thank you very much. If you liked this video, hit the thumbs up button. If you didn't like the video, hit the thumbs down button. If you have any comments or suggestions, write in the comments. And if you haven't subscribed to this channel, consider subscribing and hit the bell button so you get a notification every time I put a new video. Till next episode, ma'asalama.